So this is 70. 70 years.
That will be.
How much have you got? 10?
10.
So we're buying some stuff for the kid. For Esther.
17 days.
She wants to put Esther off the bubble. She doesn't want Esther to be suckling. So she's buying some things that's going to help her adjust to the regular food. Right now she's trying to suck Bobby. She just sucked Bobby. This is couscous. You dey push past you know.
Right now, I know you can see like say they don't even work yesterday.
Hey, you wait. So they come in part. Wait for what you need to go today.
You don't left a shoe me, eh? 7 years. There you buy? 1 copy. How much did you pay? Pepper 8. And then my time. What's it one time? Why we buy no more? You pass. Let me Copy. It don't start now. What's up, my friend? Yeah, exactly. I have to say how much? It's fine.
You didn't understand that's what I'm going to say. If you are not going to the table, I say yes, I say you are not going down there. I do. You are making me. I want that.
Let me start and make fun. But I don't want to eat her. That make.
What did this cash? Give me back.
Now the change. Now one you are the change. One you are now.
Now you want you? Yes, I give you one you.
Not at now.
Ganun ang palaya. like me.
Talk with it, that is.
Peter, you want to look at this case in the market. It's a minute, it's this old Jamaica cat is
Na
strong.
dirty, na dirty.
Yeah, and I'm a kiss up. Go look at it.
Na dirty with Maggie.
It's a minute, cat is strong. I'm going to eat Ojo.
You want no Maggie?
You want me give me? I want that.
Na my sister, they make fun. But I don't want to eat her. That make.
What did this cat? Give me back.
Now the change. Now one you are the change. The one you are now.
Now you want you.
Yes, I give me one you.
Not at what? Not at panel.
Get enough for that, you don't like me.
Talk with it, that is.
Peter, you want to look at this case in the market. It's a minute, it's this old Jamaica cat is
Na
strong.
dirty, na dirty.
Yeah, and I'm a kiss up. Go look at it.
Na dirty with Maggie.
It's a minute, cat is strong. I'm going to eat Ojo.
Fried cassava with fish and butter. Listen, no one inside. Potato milk, couscous, shortcake Maggie. Now there are two shortcake people. Which one is shortcake? This one open. Feeding bottle. Mayonnaise. Medicine. Overture. Sweet. This is sugar. Milk. This one on board. Egg.
Come on in. Come on in.
Macaroni, potato.
When I can buy for you that one. This is you don't smell sweet. Pass a fruit. No, no, open company.
You don't know that one? I want to peel the dry fish. Today I'm cooking cassava leaf.
Sorry, Mimi.
What happened?
They give me fine.
Okay.
So I wanted to show you guys the market run, but it was so packed. Lord have mercy. I mean, I'll still like show some of the clips that I was able to, footages I was able to get, but the way they were hitting my hand and stuff like that, I didn't want the phone to fall on my hand, so somebody come snatch the phone and take it. It was overcrowded today. Lord have mercy. We ran out of the market and still forgot stuff. Anyways, today I'm cooking cassava leaf. Today I'm cooking cassava leaf. Cassava leaf or saki tomboi, as they call it in Mandela. So enjoy the show. Don't forget, Caribbean American in Africa, Sierra Leone, West Africa, learning to cook and learning the way of their life here in Sierra Leone. This is ogre. It's fermented sesame seed, right? Ogre is Beni, right? So it's sesame seed, fermented sesame seed. They soak it and they cook it, right? After they cook it, they then sit down inside plastic. This is how they used to wrap it the first time. What type of leaf is this? Banana leaf?
Yeah, banana leaf.
The smell is not. It's not something that you would want to smell at all. It's all rotten. But this is what makes the pasta sweet. It makes the pasta taste very good. How do you have fun? Come open this banana for me.
Go there for purpose for everybody. Go there for purpose for everybody. You get for the work for God. And God will show you.
Mama, put? No, put it down. You can put small water. Good afternoon.